Claims thinking demands that students either support or refute a claim in a written statement. The question might not explicitly say claim, but there's going to be something in there that demands them to either analyze a claim or decide whether or not they support the claim or refute it. What we're going to do is we're going to look at 4 different examples. As we go through each example, feel free to pause, and I would love for you just to analyze it before I tell you as to whether you think it demands claims thinking or it does not. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to look at a 4th grade example here and just take a look. This question demands claims thinking, but in this particular case, the student has to be able to explain why they could support the claim and why they could refute the claim. So in the question, the student has to be able to both support and refute the claim. This is the kind of skill that our students need practice with, and it's really important that they understand how to do it. This particular release item on the SBAC website could be a really awesome example to use with your students to practice this kind of claims thinking. Next, we're going to look at a 7th grade example. Take a look. This is claims thinking. In this particular case, the students are actually analyzing different claims and deciding which one they agree with, which one they believe best fits the scenario and shows what is true about Beth's work. So students also need to understand that claims sometimes includes actually analyzing claims, not just typing in their own claim. Next one, this is actually a 6th grade example. Take a look. This one is actually not claims, it is finding correct errors. Maybe ask yourself for a minute why you think that might be the case. Okay, this is finding correct errors because we are told from the get-go, from the question, that Ben is incorrect. In a claims question, we are not told explicitly that someone is incorrect, right? We are either deciding whether or not we support a claim or we refute a claim. So this is actually finding correct errors. Claims can sometimes be confused with finding correct errors, so it's really important that we understand the nuance. And then one last example. This is from 3rd grade. Take a look. This is claims because our students have to analyze each of our problems and decide whether it supports Ellen's claim or whether it does not. Hopefully you've gotten some information about claims thinking, and feel free to use this video to help you refresh your understanding of claims.